Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy women crochet jacket designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts, mind-blowing designs, mind-blowing ideas, stylish colors, light colors, dark colors, beautiful color combination contrasts. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crochet jacket designs, open jacket designs, beautiful trendy designing ideas for stylish ladies. You can see in this my video. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of jacket designs. See beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy, one another, different designs and ideas you can see. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories. You can see also top 50 designs and ideas you can see. If you want to buy this very beautiful crochet open jacket design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most trendy woman crochet open jacket designs. You can wear these very beautiful jackets in the birthday party or wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors. Top stylish designs and ideas you can see. Please friends, subscribe my channel and